Hi guys, I am Claire, Wisteria Energy Twister, and I love nature. I love everything about nature. And I'm in my favourite place right now. Oh look, there's a quack quack. Turn that on, see what happens. He's quack quack. So yeah, it's pretty late. Well, I mean, it's not so late. It's a little bit late, I guess, compared to usual. Whack whack. Hear him. Whack whacking. There's somewhere down there. Whacking away. Whack whack. So yes, I'm Wisteria Energy Twister. My name is Claire. And I was born in autumn. Makes me an October baby. Which makes me a Libra. Just. Kind of. I was born in Barnsley Hospital. Barnsley itself. And when I was born, my mum passed out for 3 whole days and swore blind I'd been swapped at birth, which is very, very bizarre. Apparently, I should be a boy, not a girl. So yeah. Now, I was meant to be called by my mum. If she were to have a girl, she was going to call the girl Karen Louise. That's what had always been put down in the notes, you know, like, if I have a girl, that's what I want called. But she swore she was having a boy. Now, because she was out for 3 days, my dad named me before she could come round. Hence why I am called Claire Marie, but I'm actually called it like the French way. Which is another odd thing, I guess, but my dad named me when all said and done. The odd thing about that is, like, my mum still is convinced I was swapped at birth or something and that I should have been a boy. So I don't know. Yes, born in Barnsley District and General Hospital in October the 22nd, making me an autumn baby. Means I love the autumn, and I do. I do love autumn very much. One of my favourite times. So yeah, that's the first part of who I am, I guess. What I'm about. I'm odd.